Shawty made that clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that to the floor, yeah. Whoa, you ain't gotta do it none of these no more.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Essie Rosee, and I'm back with another video. Before we get into the video, I just want to add a quick disclaimer. These are the products that I use in my skincare routine, personally geared towards my skin type. So what that means is what may work for me may not work for you. We might have two different types of skin types. So with that being said, I am not responsible for anything that happens to your skin if you decide to use these products, regardless of anything I said. I am only here to guide you on the steps that you should be doing in your skincare routine, not to tell you what you absolutely need to use. I am not an esthetician. I am not a dermatologist. Okay, I just use what works for me. So, with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Alright, y'all. So today we're going to wash our face 3 times. I know I may sound like I'm dragging it, but I am a girl who wears a lot of makeup. With that being said, I'm going to wash my face 3 times and make sure all the dirt and oil and makeup is out my pores. So we're going to start off with using a pre-cleanse. So I'm going to use today the Dermalogica pre-cleanse. You can also use the Skinfix pre-cleanse. I use that too. So we're going to start off with dry hands and dry face. And we're just going to work that Dermalogica on my face. Then we're going to wet our hands, and with that same Dermalogica, we're going to wet our hands, rub the product into our skin, make it lather, soap up, so now it becomes a cleanser. I like to really focus on my cheek areas the most because I sleep on either side of my face, and the fact that I sleep on either side of my face, dirt and makeup and oils get clogged into my pores on my cheeks. So I like to really focus on my cheek area. So now we're going to rinse off, and we're going to go in with our second cleanser, the Purifying Cleansing Gel by Boscia. So I'm going to take that, do the same thing. This time we're going to leave the face wet. We're going to rub that, work that in, really massage it into the skin so it can purify all those clogged pores, like I said before. And I'm probably going to keep saying into the videos over, but yeah, you get the point. So we're going to rinse that off, and then we're going to go in with our Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser by Youth to the People. I'm using this cleanser because the Boscia Purifying Cleanser kind of dries my face out a little bit. So when I go on with this cleanser afterwards, it kind of puts a little bit of moisture back into my skin. And I have combo oily, dry skin, so I need all the moisture I can get. Alright, so after we done rinsed our face off with lukewarm water, we're just gonna towel dry our face. We're gonna pat it. We're gonna go in with the mask by Henriksen. This is the Cold Plunger Pore Mask, and what this is a detoxifying cooling mask that instantly reduces the look of pores, smooth skin texture, and controls oil all day. So this is really good for people who have large pores, dullness, and even skin texture or oily skin. We're just gonna rub that all over the face, thin even layer. Make sure you avoid your eye area because you definitely don't want to get this product in your eye. I'm telling you, it burns. We're just gonna let it sit for 15 minutes and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
I don't care if I'm matching. Ripping the bands out the plastic. Low buddy broke niggas always want static. Yeah, what's wrong with you? A blue person?
Well, I'm recording a skincare video. You wanna say hi?
Hey, YouTube!
We're gonna go ahead and rinse our face with cold water, and we're gonna go straight into our toner. These are the two toners that I use, one by Henriksen, the other by Kiehls. We're gonna put it on the Sephora organic cotton rounds, and we're just gonna take the cotton round and wipe the toner all over the face. Then we're gonna go in with my Caudalie vinoperfect essence. And essence basically just helps add an extra layer of hydration to the face and also preps the skin for any serums or moisturizers you put on after, so it can penetrate the skin a little bit better. Now I'm gonna go in with my Kale Peptide Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid Serum by Youth to the People and Good Genes by Sunday Riley. The Youth to the People serum is gonna give me moisture, and the Sunday Riley is gonna help gently exfoliate my skin and make it look brighter. Now I'm just going to lock in all the hydration I just put on my skin with my moisturizer. This is going to help lock in the moisture for up to about 72 hours. Okay, we're almost done. So one of the final steps is using an eye cream. I'm going to use my Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Oh my god, it smells just like bananas. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some product under our eye. We're going to use our ring finger to kind of press the product in around that bone that is around the eye. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, that's what we're going to do. And to finish it off, I like using my Caudalie Beauty Elixr. Yo, this smells so good. It's going to have my skin looking really youthful and radiant by the morning time. That's it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.